Welcome to my curbside shop here. Going like right here on the inside. Pretty much how you install flex molding. But I really like the 12. Have a good one. And we'll be here all night. But check that out. Long ones that we made. Like ripping this section good. Crown molding. Let's process our material beams. We're gonna push this to its limit. Going to drive are lining up. Yes! It worked out for me. This is still going on to make sure this fits good. Right near the hill. I did not quit. I like the way this looks. Like a dog. Whoa, what the? I didn't want that fire to spread. Toy store and bought for the paint. I don't care how you get it done, just get it done. And you can good luck. But I've got that